Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another DIY. I'll be making a flower mirror wall decor today. I like how they have the flower walls I've been seeing. I like that idea. So I said I'm gonna make one for myself, but I'm adding mirrors to mine. Yeah. So I'm doing this for my sister, like I told you. I'm doing a few items for my sister. If you've been paying attention with me in my other videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. And she likes gold, so I'm gonna incorporate gold in every little thing that I try to make for her. Alright, let's get into what we'll be using today. Okay, we have these small mirrors here from the Dollar Tree. And we also have the largest mirrors from the Dollar Tree also. And I have these flowers from Dollar Tree. And I have these rhinestones, which they have different sizes that you can get from Walmart. I got mine from Dollarama. And we have some gold glitter. And we have some spray paint here that you can also get from Walmart. And we have the gold spray paint also you get from Walmart. And we have our black foam board. And we have our tools. And our E6000. And our glue gun, you guys. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, we're taking our white spray paint. I will be spray painting these flowers. I don't want them in the orange color. No, yellow. Yellowish orange color that they're in. So we're spray painting them in white and let's see how they turn out. Well, it doesn't look too bad, you guys. What do you think? I think it's starting to look very nice. I like it. I like the colors turning out into. And we are outside in a well-ventilated area because we're outside to do the spray paint. And I took one of the floral foams and just stick the flowers in there as I spray painted them because they're hard to lie them down to dry once they have the spray paint on them. So just use any kind of piece of foam. And I have another piece over there from I had gotten when I got something delivered to me. And just stick it in and let them dry. Very neat idea, eh? Alright, now we're going to lay down our mirror onto our foam board. And get the pattern which we're going to glue them down. And we're using our E6000 and our glue gun. And now we're going to be laying down the smaller mirrors going across the center of our pattern, you guys. And again, we'll be using the E6000 and our glue gun. And now we're going to take our flowers and the stem at the bottom. You're just going to use a clipper and clip them off. And now we're just going to place the glue at the bottom of the flower and then just press them down onto the mirror, just like, press it for a few minutes to just make sure it's there, secured down. You know them 7 digits, baby. Just ring off me, Sally, baby. And you know I'll be running to you. As you can see, once I glue the flowers down, I go back under the flowers once it's on the mirror and add some more glue. Just to make it be a little bit more flat onto the mirror.
your eyes on me. I just wanna tell you that you're my perfect girl. And baby girl, if there's anything I want you to know, it's just for you to know. Just for you to know. Send me why you. Just for you to know. Yeah, me need you. Just for you to know. Send me love you. Send me love you. Well, alright now. Just for you to know. Send me why you. Just for you to know. Send me need you. Just for you to know. Just for you to know. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. So me need you. Is that me love you? Yeah. Yeah.
And now I'm going to go in and add the gold leaves that I spray painted and just add them in different places going around the mirror, you guys. I have to add an extra touch of gold because my sister loves the gold color, like I told you. Oh, and I did put some glitter on the flowers too, gold glitter. I forgot to mention that earlier. When I spray painted the flowers, I added the glitter also. And here's our finished look, you guys. OMG, I'm loving this. I'm really loving it. I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice with the flowers and the gold. And the flowers look much better spray painted. The orangish yellowish flowers, they look much better spray painted with the white. And I spray painted the leaves gold with a touch of gold glitter in them also. I think it turned out very nice. I know my sister's going to love this. So I just placed it here to show you guys. This is not where I'm keeping it. Like I told you, it's for my sister. And she'll be placing it above her bed. Yeah. Yeah, and this is what I use to hang them up, you guys. I use command strips. I always use command strips to hang up my majority of my wall decor. Yeah, let me just show you the sizes. Okay, they have the large size and then they have a medium size. Now, for these mirrors that I use the large sizes, not the small ones. I use the large, and I use like 4, one in each corner of the large strip, and then 1 large strip in the middle. That's how I hang them up. Just wanted to share that with you guys. And I get them from Walmart. Alright, you guys. I think it looks very nice. And I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely home decor for your home. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I'm coming up to give to my sister. And like I told you guys before, she does vlogs, not DIYs, on her channel. The Journey Family. And she has 2 channels. I'm gonna leave a link down below to both her channels. And you know, sometimes I'm over there doing videos with her also. So if you want to see a more personal side of me, you can watch some of her vlogs because I'm in them also sometimes. Alright, you guys. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.